I'm fine. How about you?
I'm great. But can I ask you something? What is it? Do you know the app called Facebook?
Yes.
Because yesterday when I opened my Facebook, someone tagged me, and that picture is really disturbing. I'm really nervous that my parents will see that. Do you know how can I remove and control the people whom about to tag me?
Can I see? Of course, yes. Just wait here. I'm just going to get my laptop, okay?
Okay.
First, let's go to Facebook settings. Then from the settings, we need to click the timeline and tagging. And as you can see, that we can edit the who can post on your timeline and also who can see post your tag in on your timeline. And also you can remove the tag, photo, or pictures if you don't like it. Just simply go to your timeline and find the posts or pictures that you're tagged in. And click this and just click the remove tag. Is it clear now?
Hey, what's up guys? I'm NC and you can call me Nick. And this week I am doing a series of videos focusing on tutorials on how to access basic settings and features that is available on the social media website Facebook. Let's get started. Okay, let's start with the general privacy settings, because who would want their information to be known to the whole world? I know I don't. Getting to the general account settings is pretty easy. I mean, just click on the drop down button and go to the settings. That's it? Yeah, that's it. The first page we can send to is the general account settings, where you can edit your profile name but only for a limited amount of time, because Facebook has algorithms that prevent you from changing it a bunch of times. Second, you can edit your username. The username is typically found at the URL link to your profile and your messenger. Third is your contact information. It's really up to you if you want to display your contact number or another email there. It's the preference of the person. The fourth is the add account contact. This is where Facebook sends you emails and notifications about add accounts. And others below are just miscellaneous options you can play with. Moving on to the next setting, security and login. This is where you basically edit settings to set up a stronger yet more complicated security to your account. This is also preferential to the user. The last is your Facebook information. This is where you can manage and edit your information in various ways. It is also preferential. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I am NC and I'll be seeing you soon. Bye bye! Hey everyone, it's your boy, NC. Welcome back. I am continuing my series of tutorials based on settings and features on Facebook. Yay! Next is about friends. Specifically, Facebook friends. Because what is Facebook without friends? I mean, what is life without friends? I am so lonely. Did someone say friends? Hey! Get out of here! I was just asking. Get out! Right now! Okay, let's proceed. Friends on Facebook are people who you've sent a request to, or they sent a request to you and asked for companionship in the world of the internet. To see the people on your friends list is one of the most easiest things to do on Facebook. Open your newsfeed, and somewhere in the middle left to the bottom left side of the screen, you will see an option called Friends List, which takes you to a page that looks like this. You will see a couple of categories, which I will explain later. Click on See All Friends to see all of your friends. Here are all the other profiles of people who you sent or sent their friend requests. Okay, back to the categories I mentioned earlier. The categories vary from one person to another, mostly because of how different the consistency people edit their profiles. Here you can see the categories from Nixon's personal account. This may or may not include the category of friends whom you share the same workplace, the category of friends whom you share the same area of location, the category of friends you set as acquaintances, the category of friends you set as your family members, the category of friends you set as close friends, and the category of friends who you restricted to see only your public posts. Like I said earlier, these categories vary from one person to another. You can even create a new category just by clicking the Create List button. I want friends too, so I could give them a balloon. Get out! Get the out! That ends our video about accessing the friends list. Thank you guys for watching and see you on the next one. Bye!
I'm tryna understand these things. I need to
Oh my gosh! Hello?
Hello? Are you busy today?
No, why?
Do you know what to do when someone message you and send some disgusting photos? You know what I mean, right? Actually, this is not the first time I encountered this. It really annoys me. Please help me.
Oh, I know what to do on that. Just simply block him. I will send you the video instruction on how to block a person so that he or she can stop messaging you.
Hey guys! Welcome back to my series of tutorials. Let's get to it. Today I'm gonna discuss about blocking people on Facebook. What is blocking? Blocking is essentially removing someone's ability to have a connection with you. It's pretty much the same as banning someone from a page or group. This means they cannot see your profile, they cannot message you, etc. I know what you're thinking. Why block someone on Facebook? Because today, one of the main reasons to block someone on Facebook is because of cyberbullying. Millions of people experience it today. So blocking someone on Facebook can totally prevent a bully from bothering you. Or you could block people that annoy you or something. It's up to you. Those poor kids. Okay, I'm gonna block you now. Wait! Okay, to block someone on Facebook, there are two ways. First, you can go to the person's profile. You will see an ellipsis right here on the bottom right corner of the cover photo. Click on it to see the block option at the end of the list. And there you go. The second method is going to the Facebook settings and going to blocking. Here you can see the people who you've blocked in the past, and a search bar for more people to block. Just type in the person's name in the search bar, select their profile, and block them. There you go. You can block someone on Facebook. Are you happy now? Just a quick side note, you should never block someone just for fun or for no good reason. That isn't nice and it might hurt the person's feelings. Okay, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye-bye!
Restlessness in your head, don't listen to it. I need to know